This is word problem number 2 of solving linear systems of equations by substitution method. And problem 2 states the length of a rectangle is 3 more than its width. The perimeter of a rectangle is 58 centimeters. What are the dimensions of the rectangle? As we read through this line by line, we can define our variables and start writing our equations. The length of a rectangle is equal to 3 more, so 3 plus, the width of the rectangle. So we have this first equation, and now I'm going to define variables. I'm going to say let x equal the length of the rectangle. And I'll say let y equal the width of the rectangle. Now, you're free to use any variable you want. You could use L and W and so on. That's fine. I'm just sticking with x and y. Once I do that, I can redefine this equation to be x is equal to 3 plus y. And now I need to write an equation for the perimeter. It says the perimeter of the rectangle is 58 centimeters. So the formula for perimeter is equal to 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. So since for us the length is x, we're going to say the perimeter is 2x and the width is y, so 2x plus 2y. And we know that the perimeter is 58 centimeters, so we will write 58 is equal to 2x plus 2y. Now we can put these two equations together to form a system. X is equal to 3 plus y, and 58 is equal to 2x plus 2y. And because one of the variables is already isolated, that means anywhere we see x, we can replace it with 3 plus y. So this x down in the second equation, we can replace with 3 plus y. And this gives us our new equation. It's going to be 58 is equal to 2, but we're replacing the x with 3 plus y, plus, and then we have 2 times y, and now we can distribute this 2 through the parenthesis, and we have 58 equals 6 plus 2y plus 2y. We can combine these like terms, and we will subtract the 6 from the other side. So that gives us 52 is equal to 4y. Divide both sides by 4, and we have y is equal to 13. Now that we have one of our variables and what it is equal to numerically, we can go back to our original system. X is equal to 3 plus y, and 58 is equal to 2x plus 2y, and we're going to replace the y with 13 and solve for x. And we expect to get the same x value for both equations, and as long as they both match, then we know we solved this correctly. So this top equation becomes x is equal to 3 plus 13, so x is 16. This bottom equation becomes 58 is equal to 2x plus 2 times 13. (58) is equal to 2x plus 26. We will subtract 26 from both sides. 58 minus 26 gives us 32 is equal to 2x. Divide both sides by 2. And we have x is equal to 16. And because these numbers for x match, that gives us confidence that we did this correctly. So our solution is x comma y, which equals 16 comma 13. And if we go back up, we see that we said x is the length and y is the width. So length is equal to 16 centimeters. Width is equal to 13 centimeters. And those are the dimensions of our rectangle.